Hello students, welcome to my next video. Here again we will solve one problem. This problem was asked in university examination. A computer has 4 expert programmers. The center needs 4 application programs to be developed. The head of the computer center, after carefully studying and estimates the time required in minutes by the expert to develop the application program, find the assignment schedule so that the time will be minimized. So in this program 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 experts are given and they need to be carry out the programs which are A, B, C, D, and the time is given in minutes. So let's solve this problem. So this is a very simple problem. In examination you have to write down this problem as like this. The time is given in minutes. So very first step, as the time is given, that means this problem is of minimization. 4 rows are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 columns are there. So this problem is 4 rows and 4 columns, that is, it is a square matrix and order of the matrix is 4. So we will start with row minimization followed by column minimization. Let's do with me. So consider first row. Minimum value is 80. So subtract 80 from each and every element. So 120 minus 80, 40, then 20, 0 and 10. In the next row, the least element is 70. So the row comes like 10, 20, 40 and 0. In the next row, minimum value is 100. So 10, 40, 20 and 0. In the last row, minimum value is 80. So 10, 10, 0 and 10. Next is column minimization. Draw the matrix and solve. So I have identified least element from each and every column. Now let's do this calculation of column minimization. So the first column will be 30, 0, 0, 0. Next is 10, 10, 30, 0. Next column, that is C column, will be as it is 0, 40, 20 and 0. Last column will be also as it is 10, 0, 0, 10. So after row minimization and column minimization, now this is your new matrix. Now what is next step? Next step is you have to cover 4 zeros. Can you see 4 zeros in a row or column? No. So reduce this count by 1. So search for 3 zeros. Can you see 3 zeros? Yes. First column there are 3 zeros. Last row also there are 3 zeros. So I will draw a horizontal line covering with these 3 zeros. Now can you identify 3 zeros? No. So go for 2 zeros. Can you identify 2 zeros? Yes. In the second row and in third row there are 2 zeros. Again, can you find now 2 zeros? No. So reduce this count by 1 and search for 1 0. For this one you can draw a horizontal line or vertical line. I will draw a vertical line. Now how many lines are drawn? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 lines are drawn. So order of this matrix is 4. So number of lines drawn is exactly equal to order of matrix. So solution is optimum. So write down that. So number of lines drawn are 4, exactly equal to order of matrix 4. Therefore solution is optimum. So next, as we have found the optimum matrix, next step is we have to capture zeros. So redraw this optimum matrix and now start capturing zeros. You have to find out alone zeros. So in the first row I found one alone zero. So I will capture this, and along with row and along with column, zeros are deleted. Now again search for alone 0. In the second column you find there is alone 0. So along with row and along with column you can delete. Now in the second row and the third row and in the first column and in the last column there are 2 zeros. So there is no alone 0. So what is this problem? Yes, this problem is of multiple solutions. So there will be 2 solutions. So for time being, capture any 0. As you capture this, you can delete this, you can delete this, and you can capture this. So all zeros are captured. Write down the final solution. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is assigned to C, 2 is assigned to A, 3 is assigned to D, and 4 is assigned to B. You have to go back to your original problem and write down the values from this problem. So 1 is assigned to C, that is 80. So write down all these values. 1 is assigned to C, 80. 2 is assigned to A, again 80. 3 is assigned to D, 100. And 4 is assigned to B, that value is 90. Make a summation of this, and that is your final answer in minutes. So final answer is, this is your final assignment, and this is your final answer. 350 will be your total times, 350 minutes. Similarly, you can try this problem. Instead of capturing this, you just capture this 0 and check the final answer. The assignment will be slightly different, but the total answer will be same. Just try this and check the answers. So I have redrawn this matrix. This is the same matrix. I have captured these two zeros. Now instead of this 2A0, I will capture this 3A. So I will capture this. So this will be deleted and I will capture this. So 4 zeros will be captured. What is the assignment now? Just write down this assignment. So A is assigned to C, 4 is assigned to B are same here. Only D and A are interchanged. And the final values are, from the original matrix we got 2D as 70, 3A as 110. So total summation of these, yes, this is also equal to 350 minutes. So just you saw multiple solution problem. There are two solutions in this problem, but finally you are getting same answer. In examination you have to find out both the solutions. Then only you will get full marks. I hope all the concepts are clear. Thank you.